That's how quick that was to pin the T-handle on it. My welders in the shop call it Little Chubby. But it's not so little. That's sweet looking, I like it. Hope the customer likes it. Very easy to roll around, SS gunmetal wheels. Very nice. And guess what? It's gonna have the hopper on it, so it's a pellet cooker and an offset smoker in one with a golf cart kit on it. Sweet. Liking it. Oh, it's even got a grill firebox. Look at this, hot plate. They can do fajitas and steaks and shrimp, and kebabs and all that over a direct wood fire. It's gonna have a stainless steel table. Of course, they got the smoker section here. They'll have the hopper over there. Very nice, very nice.